Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Scam Creation. Today we will learn how to activate Elementor Pro license key. Elementor Pro is an extension of Elementor which empowers us with vast professional tools that speed up workflow and design. Now open Dashboard and click on Plugins. Click on Add New button to upload your plugin. You can add Elementor Pro plugin from the link given below. I already have installed this plugin. That's why we will directly go to activation. You can see connect and activate option. Click on this text. It will take you to your account of Elementor. Now we will add our email and password for login. After entering your information, click on Activate button. Here you can see my status is active. It means Elementor Pro license key has been activated. Now you are able to unlock the amazing features of this plugin and make your website attractive and innovative by just drag and drop using Elementor Pro. That's it for today. If this video helps you, then please like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get our latest videos. Thank you.